Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to sub on Sequin pillows. I printed out my design, which is the Saints football team fleur-de-lis, and I wanted to show you that on the Sequin pillow, if you have the two-sided white, this one is a white and a gold, make sure you turn them all to the white side. So you will smooth them out, and then you're going to use a lint roller to kind of take out any lint that's on the pillow, and then just take your hand and just smooth it out again. Go ahead and preheat your heat press to 400 degrees, and we're just going to pre-press like we usually do with shirts. Pre-press the pillow. Set your heat press at 400 degrees, and we're going to press the design. Go ahead and lay it on top. Make sure the design is mirrored, and tape it to the pillow. Center it, and we're going to make sure it's centered. Tape it down really good, and we're going to press at 400 degrees for 55 seconds. Make sure that you cover with your butcher paper. I forgot to put butcher paper at the bottom, so please put butcher paper at the bottom as well. Okay, once 55 seconds are up, go ahead and remove the butcher paper and carefully remove the design off your pillow. It's very, very hot. I always stress that. I use tweezers. It was still kind of hot. But go ahead and lift it off. As you can see, it's extremely vibrant. You can see the color differences in the transfer paper. And I have a little bit of tape left on. I'm just going to take it off. It's very hot. I had to wave my pillow a few times to cool it off a little bit. For the big reveal, I went ahead and turned it to the gold side. And then when you swipe over to the white side, you can see your design. I think it came out very nice for my first time. Well, I like it. I think it's nice. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I will be doing some more tutorials pretty soon. Thank you.